Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today's webinar, I want us to start off with the GBP USD. I want us to look at GBP USD first of all before we look at other instruments. This is a 30 minutes time frame. So on this chart, it looks like the price is headed for a sell. It looks like the price is headed for a sell. We had a support. We had a support, we had a support, we had a support, and we have a support here. If the price moves down and touches this lower trend line, then this should be a very good place to look for a buy from. We will be expecting that the buyers will push price back to the upper side, which means that we still expect the sellers to come up to somewhere around this trend line where we'll be looking for a buy position. So in case the price breaks and closes below this level, it will be a sign that the sellers are now in control, and we may see the price continue downwards towards 1.23071. So along this trend line is the best place where you want to look for a buy from. If this is violated, the next level is this one. At the next chart, which I want us to have a look at, is Euro USD. So with Euro USD so far, we are having a very good support here. We have this level. We have a support. We have a support. And we also have another level here. So this was a support in the past. It was a support. There was a break. We had a minor resistance. We had a resistance, and we had a resistance here. So should the price go up and touch these two lines, then along these two lines is the best place where you want to look for a sell from. But if the price should ascend and close above them, then we want to see a retracement back towards the same level to mean that the price is continuing in that direction with the next target fixed at this price here. So this is a good price. This is another good price, and then this is another good price. Then you have another one, which is this one. So these are the levels where should the price close above these two lines, that would mean we are now continuing upwards towards the next level, which is this one. If this is broken, the next level is this one. When this is broken, the next one is this one. If this is broken, the last one is this one. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So on this chart, we are watching for a buy here. This is the most important thing I can see on this chart at the moment. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. There was a break above. There was a pullback. We had a support here. So if the price can pull back and touch these two lines, then this is going to be the best place to look for a buy. So we'll just be waiting to see what happens when the price touches this line, so that we pick a buy position, expecting that the buyers will push us back to the upper side towards this level here. So when the price goes up to this point, when the price pulls back up to these two lines, this will be the ideal place to look for a buy from. We will be expecting that the buyers will push us back to the upper side towards this level 140.869. The other chart is Brent oil. Brent oil, we have a good support here, and we had a shape in the past. This is not relevant at the moment, but it was relevant in the past, so I'm drawing it because we used it in the past. Can move down and touch this line, then this should be a good place to look for a buy from. So expect that the sellers will push price downwards towards this level. If the price goes and touches this point, then this should be the best place to look for a buy from. So expect the price to move down at least up to this level. We pick a buy from here. Our stop loss is fixed below the low of that candle. Our first take profit will be here. Here. The next one is this one. So technically, when the price goes up to this point, we will be focusing on buy positions, expecting that the buyers will push us back to the upper side towards this level. When this is broken, the next target is this one, and then the next one is this one. 98.222. We have the next chart is gold. So with gold, so far we are having a very good level here. We have a resistance, there is a break above, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support. If the price moves down and touches these two lines, this is going to be a place to look for a buy from. We will expect that the bars will push us upwards. So we will expect that the bars will push us upwards towards this level here. So it's a good buy within these lines. We expect the bars to push price upwards with a target at this price here. Then we have a stop loss fixed below the low of this candle here. So that no, we are still not at the end. So well, let's look at Bitcoin before we wind it up. We have this here, and then so it's like the price is within a converging wedge formation. Along this lower trend line is a good place to look for a buy from. Expect the buyers to push price back upwards towards this trend line. If the price bounces off from this level, this should be a good place to look for a sell from. So expect the price to move up to this point where we'll be looking for a sell position. So when the price goes and touches this point, look for a sell order. Expect the sellers to push us back to the lower side, back towards this trend line here. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.